Hey, welcome to another episode of Mexican in the Kitchen. I have these beans here. It's around 2 cups of beans. They've been soaking in water with a tablespoon of baking soda for about 12-15 hours. It's basically the whole night. And I'm soaking them so they're soft and it will help us to cook faster. And the baking soda is so they're not so heavy. So it removes a bit of this thing that makes you feel bloated. And it makes it just softer and easier to cook. I'm kind of rushing through this part because I have another video you can check out where I make cowboy beans, and you can go through that process. It's the same thing, just a bit slower, more detailed. But now basically throw the beans into a pot, some water, half an onion, and basically we'll just let it boil for hour and a half, 2 hours. Just keep an eye on it, and once you can take a couple beans with a spoon and smash it with another, and you can do it very easily, then we're done. So now we'll continue with the rest of the ingredients, and I have this chorizo, and I tried to get the softest I can get. This is quite okay, and I have a leftover onion from something else I made, and we're just gonna chop everything. It doesn't have to be perfect. I like it to be chunky, so just make small pieces. Now I have this pan prepared. It's on a mid-low fire, maybe 2 or 3 out of 6. And I'm gonna put some canola oil, and we'll take the chorizo and just throw it in there. We'll throw this first because it takes a bit longer. And after a while you will see all the color is coming out, the oil is already red. And that's when we're gonna throw the onion in. We're gonna mix them and we're gonna cook them for a while. Once you see that the onion is starting to get this nice see-through color, you can see the color of the chorizo just being all over the place. You just take some beans, throw them into the pan. These are a really nice time to put salt on them. And I'm gonna take this wooden spoon and start smashing them slowly. Slowly but steadily, just smash all the beans, and you'll get this texture eventually. And for adjusting this texture, you can use some of the water the beans were cooked in. Basically, keep moving them, keep smashing them until you have the right texture, the texture you like. I like it a bit chunky, that's why I leave it like this. And now you're ready to serve. You can just put it in a plate and enjoy. Look how beautiful this plate looks. So this is my way of making refried beans. You will see this video referenced many times probably because refried beans are a huge part of Mexican cuisine. You will see it very often as a side dish. You will see it as base of many dishes. So it's good that you try this recipe. It's very simple. It's very easy. You can have it as a snack on the center of the table, just some tortilla chips or some fresh tortillas next to it. Make some tacos. Very simple, very tasty. I really like it. I'm having it here just with a wheat tortilla. It's very simple, but it's a taste that really reminds me of home. So, if you like the video, press like, subscribe, share with your friends, try it. If you have questions, comments, write them below, and see you in the next one.